I'm here with Lim Howe from Dabton here in Singapore, and we're taking a closer look at printers for kiosks. Lim, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Andrew, for having me.
Now, kiosks are becoming more popular. What are some of the printing needs?
In Singapore, we do have different applications. One of our customers are using the kiosk printers for printing tickets. So for people that are going to a swimming pool, they'll go to a kiosk which is using the Zebra Kiosk printers to buy a ticket. Okay, and we also have other customers using the kiosk printers for transactional purposes. So in the kiosk, there are not only the kiosk printers, there are also label printers, where you can print a shipping label from the kiosk as well. So yeah, so these are some of the examples that that our customers are using. Yeah.
How does an embedded kiosk printer differ to a traditional printer?
I think there are a couple of factors. I think firstly, because for a kiosk, it usually requires a small real estate. Because usually when you place a kiosk, you need to pay rent to the estate owner to have the space. So a kiosk printer must be small enough to be fitted into the kiosk. At the same time, the kiosk must be able to, or rather the kiosk printer must be able to pull a bigger roll of receipt. Because most of the time, kiosks are unattended. And hence, you want to make sure that the kiosk is always up and running, and to prevent human intervention. So the kiosk must be able to pull a bigger roll of receipt. Furthermore, there must be different ways of mounting, because a kiosk has different design. So sometimes the paper has to be above, sometimes paper has to be behind. So there must be different kiosk mountings available for the customer.
What are some of the features we see in a Zebra embedded kiosk printer?
I think there are two very important features that the Zebra printer has. One is the looping presenter. So basically, when you have a looping presenter, you prevent paper jam, which is very important. Number two is the Zebra printer has got a retract function. So you can set a time for the printer to keep the receipt that is printed. If it's not being taken, it will auto retract into the kiosk. So this will prevent littering around the kiosk area, as well as privacy of the customer.
For any organisation that is looking to have embedded printers in their kiosks, what do you recommend that they look for?
Yeah, as we mentioned earlier, kiosks are usually unattended. So the equipment used must be reliable and rugged to prevent downtime. We have used Zebra printers for many years, and the failure rate is extremely low.
Lim, tell me a little bit about Dabton.
Dabton is an auto ID company. We specialize in label printers, cup printers, consumables, and of course the kiosk printers.